Hello guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can create a nice text animation with the text animator. Okay, so you have to click on this new project, and I'm going to start by creating a new composition, and you have to make it like let's say epic animation, or yeah, epic animation like this. Let's call it epic animation, and then 1920 1080 1080 1920 1080p right here, pixels, and then we have to put a frame rate on 25, and then okay, resolution is full, and then I'm going to make it 10-second long, and so I have to click OK. So now, as you can see, we have a composition, and with this composition we can add a text and other things, but for now we are learning how you can create a epic animation text with text editor, with text animator. And what you have to do, you have to go and click on this text, and then click right here, and I'm going to use a caps lock on your keyboard, and then you can write epic animation. Alright, and then I have to align it with the align tool. Okay, remove caps lock, and then let's increase the character size like this, and then align it again. Okay, well, let's find the nice we're going to find the nice fonts. I have to go through these fonts, but in other videos I'll be showing you how you can the best fonts you can use. So I don't know this if this is good. Let's see the other one. Let's increase the size again. Align it nicely. Alright, so now we have text right here. What you can do, you have to go on this and then go on this text animate. Don't use properties like this, position, scale, and rotation, or opacity. You have to use this text animate tool. So now you can add maybe anything like position, scale, rotation, opacity, but for now we are using position. And then on this animator one, you have to add a property, you have to add opacity, and then on opacity you have to make it 0. You have to make it 0, and then so as you can see, I've made it 0, and then as you can see this is the animation, this is the text, but it's on 0 opacity, but you have to take it down like this until it is right here in the middle of this anchor point. And then now you can see you don't have anything right here, but you have to go on this frame selector to animate it. As you can see, I've start, end, and offset. Okay, so I'm going to go on this frame and add a keyframe. I should add maybe keyframe right here, and then once we are here we can add 100%. So let's play it. So you can also make it close to this, and I'm going to composition setting. I have to make it this 5 seconds. You can see we don't need a 10-second long animation. Alright, so let's take this choky flame right here, and then let's click on your mouse and make it easy ease. Alright, so now we don't have to use this animation. It's boring, and we are going to make sure we use this graph editor, and then you can take this this hand right here and put it in the center like this, and then take this and make it like this. So as you can see, this curve comes with high speed, and then it is slowed down right here. As you can see, let's play it. Yeah, but we are going to go on advanced and then choose words. Let's play it, and then you can make sure it have a nice speed like this. As you can see, we have something nice, and if we want, we can add other when it is like this, and then we are going to let's duplicate this, and take one of these and make it maybe on collector and board, right, and then maybe make it small and add smooth, perhaps like smooth animation with text editor, and let's make it small. Let's make it smaller a bit. And as you can see, you can take this and put it right here. Yeah, this is how you can create an easy text animation with text editor, and as you can see, it is very nice, and I hope you have learned a lot in this video, and I'll see you in the other one. Thank you.